Hi everyone, my name is Angeline and today I will be presenting my capital market final project entitled Analysis of Stocks. This presentation focused on the analysis of the five global companies that I chose, and namely Apple Incorporation, Caterpillar Incorporation, Coca-Cola Company, McDonald's Corporation, and Walter Mark Incorporation. The studies includes their company's profile, like future plans, performing during crisis, stock performance, and financial analysis. As you can see here for the introduction here, that this study analyzed how strong global companies' performance during economic and geopolitical challenges. The presentation focused on the stock performance and financial stability, crisis management, and also investment potential. These companies were selected because they have the strong global operation and consistent long-term business performance. My first chosen company is the Apple Incorporation, and as you can see here, the company profile, Apple Incorporation was founded by 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and also Ronald Wayne. And the company became successfully because of innovation, products such as the iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and also the Apple Watch. They also earn revenue from the iCloud, Apple Music, and also the Apple TVs. Today, Apple is considered one of the most valuable technology companies in the world. The Apple Incorporation future plan from 2020 to 2025 focused on expanding digital services and improving the technology innovation. During the pandemic, demands for iPhone, iPad, and MacBooks increased because of the online learning and remote work. The company also invested the Apple Silicon chips, artificial intelligence and cloud services, and smart ecosystem integration to maintain the long-term growth. Apple Incorporation during crisis from the year 2008 global financial crisis, Apple maintained the strong growth because of the continuous demands for iPhone and Mac's product. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the company benefited from increased demand for digital devices. Apple survived this crisis because of the innovation during customer loyalty, stable revenue, and also the continuous product development. My second company chose is the Caterpillar Incorporation, and the company profile is Caterpillar Incorporation was founded by 1925 and is the one of the world's leading manufacturers of the construction and mining equipment. The company provides a heavy machinery for infrastructure, transportation, mining, and also energy industries. The Caterpillar is globally recognized for its durable equipment and also the strong industrial operations. And so you can see the Caterpillar Incorporation future plans, as you can see here from 2020 to 2025, Caterpillar focused on operational recovery, digital monitoring system, and automation. The company invested the suitable machinery, electric equipment, and also artificial intelligence system. This innovation aims to improve the efficiency and support long-term industrial growth. And for the Caterpillar Incorporation during crisis, so you can see here from the year of 2008 financial crisis, Caterpillar experienced declined sales because of the construction and mining activities. So, they have slowed down globally, and during COVID-19 supply chain disruption affect the operation. However, the company survived because of the diversified global operation, strong brand reputation, and effective cost management strategies. And my third company that I chose is the Coca-Cola. And as you can see here, the Coca-Cola company profile is the Coca-Cola company was founded by 1892 and become one of the world's largest beverage company. It produces soft drinks, juice, coffee, teas, water, and also energy drinks sold in more than 200 countries. So the Coca-Cola is known from the strong branding, wide distribution, and consistent customer demands. And the next slide we'll be seeing here the future plans of the Coca-Cola. And the Coca-Cola expanded digital marketing online distribution during the pandemic. And the company focused on healthier beverage product, reusable packaging, and sustainable products. And Coca-Cola expand the energy global markets and to maintain the long-term business growth. So for the Coca-Cola during crisis, by the year of 2008 financial crisis, Coca-Cola remained profitable because of the beverage demand stay stable worldwide. However, during COVID-19, restaurant closed affected the beverage sales. However, grocery and retail sales increased, and the company managed the crisis through the strong retail partnership and also e-commerce expansion and product diversification. So the next slide you will see here my fourth company that I chose, which is the McDonald's. And the company profile of McDonald's is was founded by 1940 and become the world's largest fast food restaurant chain. And the company operates through franchise and company-owned restaurant, serving millions of customers daily worldwide. And McDonald's is known for affordable products, strong branding, and efficiency franchise operations. So in the next slide, you will see here the future plan of the McDonald's, which is from 2020 to 2025, the McDonald's expand online ordering for fast food, food delivery, and mobile application. And the company also invests the drive-through system and also AI-powered ordering and technology improved customer convenience and operational efficiency. And suitable packaging also become part of the long-term strategy of the McDonald's. So during crisis, by the year 2008, the McDonald's, the consumer preferred the affordable meals, which helped the McDonald's maintain the profitability. During COVID-19, in dining restrictions affect the operations. So as you can see, however, the McDonald's adapt quickly through delivery services, mobile on ordering system, and drive-through operation. And my last company that I chose is the Walter Mark Corporation. As you can see here, the company profile of the Walter Mark was founded by the 1962 by Sam Walton and become largest retail company in the world or retail in the world. The company operates supermarkets, discount store, warehouse, clubs, and also e-commerce or the e-commerce platform and also the globally platforms globally. Walter Mark is known for the of affordable pricing, strong supply chain system, and massive customer reach. So as you can see here, the future plans of the Walter Mark is expand online grocery shopping, delivering services, and also digital payments during the pandemic. And this company invests in warehouse automation, logistic improvements, and AI-driven inventory system. And also, Walter Mark continues to focus on the e-commerce growth and digital retail operations. And the Walter Mark during crisis by the year 2008, Walter Mark benefited because consumer focused on affordable products and essential goods. And for the COVID-19, demands for grocery and household product increased the significantly. And Walter Mark survived because they are strong chain management and expand delivery services. So let's go to stock performance analysis of those five companies that I chose. So all the five companies shows a strong stock performance that despite the geopolitical conflict and global uncertainty. Apple and Caterpillar benefited from the strong growth because of the technology and infractional demand. And Coca-Cola and McDo remain sustainable because of the strong consumer support. And Waltermark also performed well because of the investor view essential retail businesses as a stable investment. So let's go to the financial ratio analysis of the five companies that I chose. For the financial ratio shows that all five companies maintain the strong, profitable, and stable earnings. Apple shows the high probability and efficiency operation. Caterpillar demonstrate operational stability. Coca-Cola maintain the strong cash flow and earnings. McDonald's generate profit and margins, while the Walmart maintains stable operation through effective inventory management. So, for overall analysis, overall the five companies remain resilient during the geopolitical and economic challenges. Their strong financial performance, global operation innovations, and also the customer loyalty help maintain the business stability. These factors also increase the investor confidence in long-term growth potential, as you can see. So let's go in financial officer perspective. So in officer perspective, from financial officer perspective, this company should continue focusing on innovation, operational efficiency, and also the financial stability, managing inflation, supply chain risks, and also the geopolitical uncertainty. It is very important for maintaining the long-term probability and also the growth. So, for the potential investor perspective, from potential investor perspective, these companies are attractive because of the stable earnings, global market learnings, and consistent financial performance. Diversification investment across the different industries also help to reduce the investment risk while maintaining the stable returns. So for the individual investor perspective, so you can see I would continue investing in this company because of their strong financial foundation and long-term growth and potential. My strategy would focus on long-term investing through buying and holding the financially strong companies at least 5 to 10 years and more. So for the conclusion regarding to my chosen company, that in Apple, Caterpillar, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and also the Walter Mark, demonstrate a strong resilience and consistent performance during the economic geopolitical crisis. This strong financial stability, innovation, customer loyalty, and also the global operations help them to maintain the growth despite the uncertainty. And these companies prove the strong fundamentals effectively and management are important factor for the long-term business's successful success and investor confidence. So that's all. Thank you for listening. Thank you guys.